80, Q60, yeah. Twin tube, a V6.
No pussy test, not even a vagina. Plain engine in night, be my feet pilot. BBL kit that tick like Thailand. Just drop it, whip, tell it, roll and pipe that. 7.6 story.
Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So by the title and thumbnail, as y'all could see, we put it on brand new dome pipe from, let me show y'all, VRSF. So we put it on a brand new dome pipe on the 328i. That mine's over there. And also this is the one I did the turbo swap on. As you can see right there, brand new turbo. Let me show y'all a little bit. There you go, man. So we did a brand new turbo on that, and oil change and all of that. And also with mines, we finally get to figure out the MHD 001 code. It was from the main harness that provided the 12 volt, so I had to move it from over here, from this post right there to this connector over here by the ECU. But I know I'm gonna have to like clean up the wires a little bit, but right now I'm just like in the process right now. There you go, right there. So it goes on this small one right here at the back, this one with the big wire with the red and white. So that go to like pin 9 on that one. And also I went ahead and installed a flex fuel kit, man. Right there, right by the firewall, by the 0-10 fuel pressure sensor. But if y'all reach this far into the video, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's get this channel to 10k subs, man. Okay, so as y'all can see, we already get the OEM dome pipe out. So right now, this O2 sensor that's right here, it's kind of seized up, so you're gonna have to go and get a new one from AutoZone or something. So as we try all the damn tools, man. We tried this one for the O2 sensor, we tried this, and we also finished this WD-40 bottle on it, on this one right here. So that's what we're gonna do, man. You're gonna get a brand new O2 sensor, so we could put it like on the downstream, and then we're gonna put it on, and then we're gonna put on the new gasket, the new crush washer that came with it. So that's gonna go by the turbo and in between the dome pipe and the turbo. Yeah, bro. Get the new one, so we're about to put it in right now. Get this ball rolling, bro. All right, so I just finished and get the dome pipe in right there. I don't know if y'all could see it better. So there you go, we got the dome pipe in. So now we're doing charge pipe. So I just got the other side in, so now we're gonna put this side on, man. And also, they didn't even send us any O-rings to like go inside the charge pipe. I don't know why, but so we got no O-ring, but we're gonna see if we still could let it work. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put on this piece on the other piece of the charge pipe right here, tighten the clamp down, and then we're gonna roll it to the throttle body. Alright, so we just got in the charge pipe, but we about to like button it up real quick. But also they didn't even send a bung piece that should go right here for the charge pipe. I don't know why. So we got no O-ring and no bung for the charge pipe. This shit's crazy, man. Alright, so I just went ahead and installed the dome pipe. As I said earlier into the video, the brand new VRSF dome pipe, and now we got the charge pipe. So we had to like improvise I had to put a Teflon tape on the bolt that I got, and then put it in the bung part right there. Same thing with over here, so we don't got any boost leak, because they didn't provide any Allen key bung to go in that part, so I had to like improvise. So that's what I did. Also, everything is on, everything looking good. And if y'all reach this far into the video, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we got more content coming soon for the F10 535. And right now he's just gonna do a little maintenance on his car after I done put on the exhaust and everything. And also, I was the one that changed his turbo, as I said earlier into the video. So any of y'all need y'all turbo to like get swapped out or anything, just hit me up on IG or hit me up down in the comment section. And that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. As I said again, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notification bell, and also give y'all a small update in the video on the big turbo 535. Me and my boy, we went ahead and we go over all the wires on the ECU and all of that. I'ma put his IG probably somewhere right here, so y'all make sure y'all go follow him. And yeah, man, peace. I'll catch you guys in the next one.